was Delhi 2026 the edition. We are live from Delhi, and today we have Sharan Seth from Barco. So how are you, sir?
I'm fine, absolutely.
So my first question to you will be: so how do your solutions help enterprise become a future ready rather than the just digitally enabled?
Okay, so Barco provides latest solutions which are future ready, more scalable, modular. And in this, what we have done is over a period of years, we have replaced the traditional hardwired resources to the latest, which is based on the IP platform and which is more secure. As you know, there is a buzzword each and everywhere for the cyber security. The product which we are proposing here as a Barco Control, it complies to all the leading security certifications and the cyber security. It's built considering, security as the base because we just don't believe in hardening the systems. It is built with a zero-based architecture right from the product concept. So in this way, we are delivering a more innovative, more future scalable product, which is in line with the industry standard.
Thank you, sir. So my next question to you will be:
Sure.
what role does innovation plays in your organization's long-term strategy?
Well, I think innovation is a big way impacting each and every enterprise right now. You have AI, artificial intelligence coming into each and as every aspect of the life. And when it comes to product innovation, if you don't reinvent yourself, or then you would be left behind. So in that way, Barco follows innovation as it's one of the most important pillar, wherein our latest offering of Barco Control is based on the innovation that we combine KVM. We are launching it more of an advanced KVM, secure KVM over IP, and it is built considering security in mind. So in that way, we are adding innovation in every pillar, every product of what Barco is providing to the leading customers, various end customers.
So that will be all. Thank you for your valuable insight.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.